Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be a how I pack my makeup for traveling. And I am actually going to Las Vegas for 6 days. My first time going to Vegas. I'm going with my friends. And I just have this makeup bag right here. And I just wanted to show you guys like what I'm taking and how I pack my makeup. Now before we get on to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Please press the subscribe button down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below what your like must-haves are in your makeup travel bags. So let's get on to the video. So this is my makeup bag right here. I actually got this at Target. It's a Sonia Kashuk makeup bag and I believe it was $16. I'm gonna try to see if I can find it on the Target website and link in the description box down below. But basically when you open it, you have this right here for brushes, and then you have this right here, and then on the bottom is where everything else goes. I wish it had compartments in it. It would have made like the organization a little bit easier, but I was kind of like in a rush to look for a makeup bag. I didn't even have time to like order anything. So this one is really good. It's a little expensive, you know, because I feel like you can find like cheaper makeup bags that are larger, but it's nice still. Okay, so the first section right here, I'm just gonna leave the brushes out. I'm not gonna really talk about what brushes I'm taking, just because I feel like brushes are something that's up to everybody's like preference. And also, I mean, everybody just on the trip, like you just take a crease brush, a blending brush, an eyeshadow like lid brush, a small detailed like pencil brush, a flat brush, like just like, you know, a powder brush. So I feel like the brushes, I just kind of left it out, and also my brushes are dirty, so I have to clean them. But right here is where I put all my complexion stuff. I put my foundations, my concealers, and my setting powders. So I'm just gonna start off with the concealers I'm taking. I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I get it in the shade Chestnut. It's like the perfect highlighting shade for me. I absolutely love this concealer. It's the #1 concealer I have in my collection. It makes my under eyes so bright, and it makes my under eyes look so hydrated without it being like oily or dewy or anything like that. I have to take this concealer every time I travel, and it's such an amazing one. And also it's a great eyeshadow primer as well. Another concealer I'm going to be taking is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. I have mine in the shade Amber. Although this is like my skin tone, I feel like this is a perfect concealer for like correcting. Like for example, if I have any dark spots, I can just put this concealer on top of the dark spots and put my foundation on top, and it'll just blend everything out. This is not really concealer I would use for highlighting my face because I got the wrong shade, but I do love the coverage of this concealer. Traveling, I always feel like you need a stick foundation and a liquid foundation. The stick foundation that I'm taking is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation so much, you guys. This is like by all means my favorite stick foundation that I've tried, and I feel like with traveling you definitely need a stick foundation. And I feel like a liquid foundation is also a must. I'm taking my ColourPop No Filter foundation. The reason why I'm taking this foundation is because, and sorry my bottle's like super dirty, the reason why I'm taking this foundation is because I feel like it literally filters out my pores. Now my setting powders. I have the Beauty Bakery Flower setting powders. Beauty Bakery, these powders, you guys, are amazing. If you don't have these powders, you need to go out and check them out. I have mine in 2 shades. I have mine in brown and I have mine in yellow. These powders give your skin the most flawless airbrush look. Like even if you have pores or anything like that, once you apply these powders, your skin looks so smooth and so like airbrush. Right here I just have this eyebrow gel. I don't know why I didn't put it on the bottom, but anyways, I have the Anastasia, this is the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel thing. I used it once. I didn't really like it, but I think I went too heavy-handed. So this time I'm going to go a little bit more light-handed with it. And I just brought it because it's travel size, and I might want to like do like a bold brow one night. So I just bought it just in case. So on the bottom, I have this bag right here, and then after that I have all of these. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly what's in this bag right here. I have most of my lip products. I have my like mascaras, lip liners, eyebrow pencils is I have this mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. I just discovered this mascara and it gives my lashes such a beautiful effect, and I really like this mascara a lot. And of course my holy grail mascara, which is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I cannot go anywhere without this mascara. If I had to get rid of all my mascaras and just keep one mascara for the rest of my life, it would be this one. I would recommend taking like 2 of your top mascaras with you on a trip. And my top liquid eyeliner is the Tarte Precision Longwear Eyeliner, liquid liner, and this is just such a great black matte liquid liner, and it's so easy to apply on your lash line, and the tip of this is so easy to work with, and it's like the perfect tip, I feel like, and it's just really easy to work with. I've been using this for years and I don't have any other liquid eyeliner that I like more than this one. I'm taking 4 lip liners with me. I'm taking, of course, my ColourPop Grunge lip liner. I cannot live without this. I love this shade. I'm taking ColourPop K lip liner. I love this one as well. I'm also taking the NYX Toast lip liner. As you can see, like, I like a lot of browns just for like nude days, like days I'm doing like a nude lip. And I'm also taking this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Auto Lip Liner. This lip liner is a red. I feel like when traveling, you need to take a red. Days, like, you want to just do that red lip, and some nights you might want to do the red lip. So I recommend on any trip you go on, take a red with you. I forgot to mention these. This is a ColourPop gel eyeliner in black. I'm just going to take that for my waterline. Even though I don't really do eyeliner that much, I also have this Kiss lash glue with me if I want to apply lashes while I'm out. And then for my favorite part, lipsticks. So I have quite a few lipsticks that I'm taking on the trip, just because I know how I am and I'm like really undecisive. So I'm just taking all these lipsticks as options, and just because I know I'm very like difficult and very like undecisive with my lips, so I just wanted to be safe and not regret taking anything, not taking anything. So the first lipstick that I'm going to be taking is the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Daydream. This is one of my favorite shades from ColourPop. It's like a really pretty mauve-y rosy brownie shade. And also taking this Jordana Sweet Cream matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Cherry Cobbler, and like I was saying before, like, you need a red when you travel, and this is such a beautiful, vibrant, bright red, and it's a really beautiful, like, just cherry red. And I feel like, you know, the nights that I want to wear red, or if I want to wear like red lipstick, I could just wear this, and it's such a beautiful like bluish red. I'm also going to be taking the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lipstick in the shade London Mauve. This is like another like beautiful shade of red. Like, I didn't know which red I wanted to pick, so I just took 2 with me. Another thing I would recommend is taking a nude. Of course, you know, nudes are like the best way to go. So I'm taking the Too Faced Cool Girl Melted Liquid Lipstick. Obviously, I can't wear this by itself because it'll look like really ashy on me. So what I like to do with this one is I like to use either the NYX Toast lip liner, or I'll take the ColourPop K lip liner and I'll line my lips and I'll put this in the center, and it just gives me the most beautiful nude lips ever, and it's like the perfect nude for me, mixed with lip liner, of course. For a nude girl, take as many nudes as you want. So I wanted to take this one too. This is a ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Bad Habit. This is a beautiful like pinky shade, and it's so pretty because it's like just a really vibrant color, and it gives you like a perfect pop of color, especially for the summer. So I really like this one, and I feel like on the days I feel like being bold and I want to do like a bold lip, I really love this for that day. I'm taking also the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade R&B. Now this is more so like a rosy brownish purple shade, and this is just like a shade, like, I just feel like it's such a pretty shade. I'm also taking this Physicians Formula Healthy Velvet Finish Lip, and this is in the shade Raisin Raisin Immunity. I haven't been able to tell already, I love mauve lipsticks. I love mauve shades with like an undertone of brown in them. I just feel like they look so good with my skin tone. I feel like they look so good with me. So my favorite shades ever of all times are always like gonna be mauves. And this is just a beautiful mauve shade as well. And I'm of course taking my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the Diamond Milk one. This is the only one I own, so. But I just love to just, if I want to put lip gloss on or anything, or put lip gloss over top a liquid lipstick, I feel like this lip gloss is just really, really pretty. Also taking this ColourPop lip gloss in Lychee Me. They don't make this anymore. This is discontinued. This was from Karuchi and the collaboration with ColourPop. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm taking the Jordana Sweet Cream lipstick in Cinnamon Toast. This is one of my favorite lipsticks to wear. I would wear this lipstick all the time to work. It's just like a perfect everyday brownie lipstick, but it's like nudish brown. Now we're finally at the bottom part. So I'm just gonna take one pair of lashes right here. These are the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. These are my favorite lashes that I've tried so far. And I also have this right here. This is so cute. I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna try to see if I can link this in the description box down below to if anybody wants this. And when you open this, this is a lash case. So technically I'm bringing 3 pairs of lashes, but these are just lashes that I've worn before. But I just wanted to bring like a fresh pair because being the lash person I am, I suck at applying lashes, so I might break one pair or so. So I just have this just in case. So anyways, this is so cute because you literally put your lashes in here and it holds your lashes for you. And my favorite part about this is just like a little bow in the front, and it's just really adorable. Then I have some face primers. So I have the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I feel like this is such a great primer, especially when my skin gets a little dry. I also have the, of course, Milk Hydro Grip primer. Everybody loves this primer so much. I really do like this primer. This primer really does grip your face. It's an amazing primer, and I feel like it's the perfect primer that's gonna be like sweat proof. Another one that I am taking with me is this one. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have been in love with this primer, and I've been using this primer non-stop. Ever since I got it, I cannot put this primer down. And of course, I'm taking my favorite setting mist of all time, the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I don't know what it is about this mist, and it just melts everything together. I feel like when I apply it, my makeup doesn't look like it's sitting. I feel like my foundation looks like it's my skin. I feel like everything just looks so smooth with this. So this is definitely a must, and this is the only setting spray that I'm going to take with me to Vegas. On to highlights. So with highlights, I thought I would take like 3 highlights. I thought I would do a liquid and 2 powders. So I'm taking the Anastasia Liquid Glow Highlight, and I have mine in the shade Peach Fizz. I just wanted like a liquid highlighter to wear underneath like my powder highlights, you know, if I'm feeling like, just to be like extra glowy. This is a really pretty like peachy goldy shade too. And I have my 2 must-have powder highlights. This is the Revolution Strobe Highlighter. I've used this a lot. This is in the shade Gold Addict. It's just the perfect like gold highlight, and I also use it a little bit on my collarbone, and it's just beautiful. And I also have this one, the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, and I have mine in 10 Be My Highlight, and this highlighter is gorgeous. I cannot go anywhere without this one right here. This is the ColourPop Flexitarian Highlight. I don't use this highlight on my face because it's way too light, but this is like my favorite highlight to highlight my inner corners with. I just love this shade so freaking much. So beautiful. For bronzer, I am taking the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty Bronzer. Everybody loves this bronzer a lot. I really, really like this bronzer, hence that's why I'm taking it on my trip. The Jouer Bouquet d'Amour blush palette. And the reason why I thought I would take a blush palette is because I feel like I'm not going to want to wear the same blush every day. And also, as you see, my bag isn't big enough to fit 4 blush things. So I thought I would just take this palette because it has 6 different shades, and it's like a variety. You have your orange, you have your more like mauve blush, you have the bright pink, you have the purpley one, and then obviously this one I would have to mix with probably this one or something. But I feel like it gives me all the different options without me having to literally bulk up my makeup bag. Now the last thing that I'm going to talk about are the eyeshadow palettes that I'm taking. I'm taking this palette right here. This is a Dream Street palette with Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I absolutely love this palette. I feel like it just has everything that you need. It has, you know, the two pop blues. It has like the neutral shades. I feel like I can do so many looks with this palette. I decided to take the Zodiac palette as well because I feel like with this one I get the opportunity to play with some color, and I feel like she's always saying that this is the sister to Dream Street. So since this is a sister to Dream Street, I feel like the two of these together, I feel like I can create so many beautiful looks with these two palettes. So I just decided to take those two on the trip, and I love Kathleen Lights. So the last palette I'm taking is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So I fell in love with this palette again. I've had this palette for about a year, okay, like maybe 2 years, and I re-fell in love with this palette. I used this palette last week when I went to a wedding, and I was like, why did I ever stop using this palette? This palette is so gorgeous, you guys. You get so many looks, and it has the black in it, which is really good if I'm trying to do like a smoky look. It has so many like neutral shades, and it's just so easy to work with. That is it for my video. This is just everything that I take with me when I'm traveling. I really hope this video was very helpful to some of you guys. I just wanted to show you guys like how I pack for when I travel and like what I take with me and what my essentials are. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and press the subscribe button. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what your travel essentials are. Like, what beauty products can you not travel without? I would love to know what beauty products you guys have to take with you when you travel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm SimplyKrystelle, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.